It's cooking time with C. Welcome back to Heavenly in Florida, my Florida home. But today's video is about fried fish. I love my fried fish, but we're going to do air fry versus southern fry. Don't that look good? Come on, let's make some. Awesome friends at my Florida home. Awesome. She had extra catfish and she gave me these 4. Look how big these catfish are. Awesome. I decided to bring some of my low carb flour, which I always keep in my RV anyway. So it's time to bread this fish up for some good frying. These were some huge pieces. I really want to get into fishing. She said she has so much fish, but thank you. It's a bit of oil, and I don't know if you should, but this is what I'm doing. Put a little bit of oil on that because I don't want the fish to stick to it. Yes, I'm trying to use less oil, but I don't want the fish to stick to it. So all I'm going to do is oil it up. I'm preheating the Nuwave right now, which that's what it says to do. And I put the fish. Probably should have put the 2 small fish on here, but for some reason I picked the one of the big fish. Yes, I decided to put oil on it. I want it fried. I want it to taste like it's been fried. So I put a little bit of oil on that. I'm going to wait for the heat up to finish, the preheat. And I have it at 400 degrees. And we're going to put that in there and get that to going. This machine, which I brought specially to stay down in Florida, I love this machine. I wish I had got a smaller one for the RV so I can carry one with me, but I saw one in one of the Goodwill stores, the really smaller ones, but we're not talking about that. So we're going to get the other 2 pieces fried southern style. This is how I like my fish fried. I'm still trying to get it crispy. Like I say, if you look at it, it's not that bad. So what do you think, fam? Would you do an air fryer? Have you done an air fryer? This one actually not bad. I think I would keep trying. Maybe next time try with smaller pieces of fish, a little bit filleted versus a whole fish like I did. Maybe that'll come out a lot better. I might do another video if I do get a better result. But let's look at the 2 ways that we did the fish. So on my right, which is where I'm pointing, is the southern fry. That is what I like. On the left is the air fryer. Not bad. I might just have to get used to this, and like I say, next time I'll try it with smaller pieces. But fam, enjoy, cook healthy as much as you can. Doesn't that look good? Let me stop talking, and it's time to eat. See you in the next one. Peace, love, and happiness. Cooking time with C. Bye bye.